Good morning. Today you will be working on 15.4, so make sure you watch the visual learning video on Pearson first before you watch this. Just to give you background, you're also going to be finishing both practice buddy assignments, and this video will be going over a question that will help you on these practice buddies. And make sure you watch some of the videos on the 5th grade channel before you take the quick check. Your exam for this topic will be tomorrow, so make sure that you are studying by watching those videos. All right, let's get started. The first one says, Sun Shipping is running a special where it charges $20 per shipment plus $10 per item. Lopez Shipping is charging $26 plus $8 per item. Okay, so we have some key things we need to keep in mind. We have that Sun Shipping is charging $20 per shipment plus $10 per item. And we have Lopez Shipping, which is charging $26 plus $8 per item. Which company charges more? So you're going to be doing a few things on this, but our first step is to find the rule. So for Sun Shipping, it says start at blank and blank blank. So start at 20 and add 10. And I knew that because it says it charges $20 per shipment plus, that's a keyword, $10 per item. Okay? Lopez Shipping is charging $26 plus $8 per item. So for Lopez Shipping, I'm going to start at 26 and add again, but instead of 8 instead of 10 it says 8. Okay, because it starts at 26 plus keyword $8 per item. Okay, we're going to keep this in mind as we go down and we have to fill out these tables. So I made sure to put it in the corner here so that we can use the information that we just found about Sun Shipping and Lopez Shipping to fill out our table. So Sun Shipping, our rule was that we need to add 10. So we're starting at 20 and adding 10. So we should be pretty good at this. 20 plus 10 is 30. 30 plus 10 is 40. 40 plus 10 is 50. And this part, I know you guys got this because if you did 15.1 and 15.2 and 15.3, this is basically what those lessons were about. And 80. Okay, so for Sun Shipping, you had to add 10. Now for Lopez Shipping, you have to add 8. Okay, so this one you might have to get a blank sheet of paper and write down your work. I'm just going to show you quickly in my head that 26 plus 8 is 34. 34 plus 8 is 42. 42 plus 8 is 50. 50 plus 8 is 58. 58 plus 8 is 66. And 66 plus 8 is 74. All right, so that is another part of this problem, that you need to be able to fill out the tables using the two rules that you came up with in part 1. All right, so using all of this information, you'll now need to graph these order pairs. So I made sure to put the table here on the right, and on your practice buddy, you're going to have to scroll up and down, which is kind of a hassle, but if you look to the right, you're going to see all of the ordered pairs. So for Sun Shipping, which is in blue for this line, this S is representing Sun Shipping. And for Sun Shipping, you're starting at 20. So that right there is going to be an indication of where we're going to start. I'm going to make sure that in A, B, C, or D that the blue line starts at 20. If it doesn't, I automatically know that this problem, that particular multiple choice, is incorrect. So right here for A, I see that this dot, that blue dot, is not exactly on 20, so I already know that A is the incorrect answer. Okay? For B, this blue dot is exactly on 20. It does start at 20, so this could be. I'm going to keep that in mind. For C, it's also right here on 20, so I'm going to keep this in mind as well. And D, it's a little bit above 20. That dot has to be right on it, so that's definitely not right. All right, so moving on, we've now eliminated 2, A and D, and we're going to look closer at B and C to make sure that they go along with these ordered pairs. So the items is the x-axis, and the cost is the y-axis. And if you can remember, the x-axis goes from left to right, and the y-axis goes up and down. Hopefully we remember that from topic 14 and the previous assignments. Now, my first point for sun shipping, the blue lines, will be 1, 13. So I'm going to see if B has 1, so I'm going to move over 1 and then go up 10, 20. I see it's right on the 30, so 1, 30. For B, that looks good. For C, I'm also going to check this one. 1, we always start at the origin, comma 30, 10, 20, 30. That one looks good too. So for B and C, those ones actually work out. So we're going to have to move on to the next one and check it. And this is kind of a, it's not a guess and check, but you have to check every single ordered pair before you can really determine which one is right. Okay, let's try 2, 40. For B, here's 2. We always start at the origin, 1, 2, 40, 10, 20, 30, 40. The blue dot, I believe, is right on that 40, so it might be B still. And for C, we're starting at the origin, 2, 40, 10, 20, 30, 40. That one's right on the 2 too. So B and C are working out for sun shipping as we're going along. And I'm going to pause from sun shipping for a minute and go on to Lopez shipping and see maybe if we can determine which one is right by moving on to the next set of points. So we're going to start at 26 for Lopez shipping, and I'm going to make sure that in B and C they start at 26. Now if the black line does not start at 26, then we can use process of elimination and find our answer right away. We don't even need to check the rest, okay? So for B, I see that this black dot is in between 20 and 30. Well, 26 is in between 20 and 30, so that also could be our answer. Well, let's check C. This black dot here is right on the 30. Now that doesn't make sense, because if this isn't exactly 30, then that dot should not be on 30. So we just found our answer by using the process of elimination, and our answer is B. All right, if you need any help, please reach out to your teachers. Have a great day.